Aprende Inglés con Tiago
Welcome to Tiago Virtual School channel.
Hello, my name is Tom. I have 2 eyes. I can see with my eyes. I have 1 nose. I can smell with my nose. I have 1 mouth. I can eat and talk with my mouth. I have 2 ears. I can listen with my ears. I have 2 shoulders. I move my arms. I have 2 hands. I clap my hands. I have 2 legs. I walk with my legs. I have 2 knees. I bend my knees. I have 2 feet. I jump with my feet. Look, my toes are small. My ankles are strong. My heels are funny. This is my body. I love my body.
Review.
Body parts.
Eyes. Eyes. Nose. Nose. Mouth. Mouth. Ears. Ears. Shoulders. Shoulders. Hands. Hands. Legs. Legs. Knees. Knees. Feet. Feet. Toes. Toes. Ankles. Ankles. Heel. Heel.
In summary, let's make a quick review. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears, shoulders, hands, legs, knees, feet, toes, ankles, heels. Again, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, shoulders, hands, legs, knees, feet, toes, ankles, heels. Now let's play. Simon says, touch your eyes. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your mouth. Simon says, touch your ears. Simon says, touch your shoulders. Simon says, touch your hands. Simon says, touch your legs. Simon says, touch your knees. Simon says, touch your feet. Simon says, touch your toes. Simon says, touch your ankle. Simon says, touch your heels.